Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're going to go over the H6 Hydrone or hydrogen drone. This drone is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, which has a fuel cell power module that can convert the hydrogen to energy, gives you about 2.4 kilowatts of power. So on a 3 kilogram weight, so all your sensors and stuff, it gives you about 2.5 hours of flight time. Now, if you go up to 5 kilograms, that only gives you about 1.5. Different sensors you can use is multi-spectrum camera, cinematography, and the sensor I use the most is LiDAR.
Yeah.
So now let's go over the ground control station, which you see on the right side is the control stick, which allows me to move the aircraft forward, back, left, right. And then we have the slider that's in the middle on the bottom that says throttle, which we go up and down. 50% is where we like to fly once we get to our designated altitude for the mission that we're going to start. Then we have the switch on the left side, the dial, which we could do auto mission or put it into manual mode, which is altitude hold, which is like GPS flying. And then we also, our last switch on top is our return home, which is covered by a red cover switch. So you have to flick it up to activate it. It's preventing people from accidentally hitting it when they're flying the mission. So this is our mission planner screen that you see. So on the top, that's our FPV hair link system that we use to monitor the aircraft where it's going and use it as obstacle avoidance so we don't run into anything. So on the left top, this is my heads-up display. So I get my artificial horizon, my speed, my compass direction, battery volts, airspeed, and altitude, which we do in meters. And then on the bottom of that, that's just extra information that I add on, like my wind velocity and time in the air, so I can monitor the battery. Because usually we try to bring the aircraft back at 50%. If it's hydrogen, we can fly all the way to, I believe, 10% of the cell that's left. So in this photo, this is in battery mode when we use all of our hydrogen fuel cells that day. It's two 16,000 milliamp batteries run in series, which is about 50.2 volts. So this aircraft is in battery mode currently. We didn't run out of fuel cells that we were using that day. So you can see I'm coming in nice and smooth. Don't need too much input, just small corrections, and the drone will keep flying just fine. You can see I'm slowly coming in for my approach because in LiDAR we got to continue moving. And the only time we kind of stop in a hover is when we're about to touch on the ground. And after the drone actually lands on the ground, we leave the LiDAR unit on for additional 5 minutes to continue collecting, and then we power it down. And this is ensure that we have all the data that we need. So you can see here, your boy, Pilot Bowser, missed the landing. You know, but it was cold, and my hands were frozen. At least my coworker gave me a round of applause. Well, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video of the H6. Super fun to fly. I will bring it back on the channel again, more in depth on more of the sensors, on how it operates a little bit more. I just didn't want to do in this Cameo. It would be a really long video and nitty gritty, and I'm just kind of doing this off of memory. I got to get the book and refresh on that front. But also there is another aircraft that I get to fly that I really do enjoy flying, and it's the Galaxy helicopter. That will be another Cameo in the near future, so stay tuned to get a little sneak peek at the end of the video. And also, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking the video, and have a great holiday.